In this video, we will show you how to replace your fuel tank straps on this Dodge Ram. These will be mounted directly along the bottom of your fuel tank. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. Carefully make your way underneath the driver's side of the vehicle. We're looking for the fuel tank. We need to apply a little bit of support underneath the fuel tank. To do that, you can just use a jack right underneath the center here. It's a good idea to use a small block of wood. To remove the fuel straps, you'll find that you have a stud that comes down from the frame and it has a 15mm nut holding it in place. We want to loosen the nut, but leave it on there just a couple threads. Now that we have plenty of movement coming from the rear strap, let's make our way to the forward strap. Use our 15mm here. Now we can take hold of the strap, we'll pull it down. Now let's carefully lower down the tank, just enough that we can shift the tank towards the center of the vehicle. While holding the tank in this position, we'll continue on by taking hold of the strap and we should be able to pull it out. To do this, we'll just bring it down in between the fuel tank and the drive shaft so we can gain access. Now let's grab onto that, we'll give it a little wiggle and it should slide out of its corresponding slot. All right, let's get ready to install our brand new forward fuel tank strap. We'll bring this up along the fuel tank, come in at an angle, and now once you have it in the proper groove, you should be able to slide it outward towards the frame. At this point, we'll continue on to taking the fuel tank and push it back towards the frame so we can put the forward nut in position. At this point, we can flex this as needed. Now we can push this up onto the stud. You can flex the strap as needed. Let's pause in the front and make our way to the rearward strap. At this point, we're going to lift up on this. We'll fully remove that nut and remove the strap from the vehicle. Let's take this strap. We're going to bring it around to the slot. You should be able to pull it right out. Let's get that new strap installed. It's coming right up inside this slotted area here. Slide it towards the frame, and now we can swing it up and over the drive shaft and put it into the proper position over the mounting stud. Now that we have both of these started on here, let's continue on to tightening each one of these nuts, starting with the rearward one. Remove the support from under your fuel tank. Okay friends, we fully installed our fuel tank straps. At this point, go ahead and climb out from underneath your vehicle, start it up, and take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.